Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to check your TonKeeper recovery page which you can use to log in into your wallet again. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open our TonKeeper app, and as you can see, this is TonKeeper interface. So what you can do is tap on the settings in the top right corner of the screen and then scroll down and tap on backup. Here you can see the show recovery page option. You can simply tap on it and a menu will appear. So make sure to read these three lines because they are very important for everyone. You can stop the video and read it yourself. After that, click on continue now. Enter the passcode and after that it will show you your recovery page. Make sure to screenshot or write it down so you won't forget them. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.